How to develop leadership skills. 5 common ways. We've listed the top 21 leadership skills in our previous video. But how can you develop your leadership skills? There are 5 common ways in which leaders develop and enhance their leadership skills. 1. Leadership skills courses or programs. There are leadership programs or courses that you can attend and enhance your leadership skills. While courses focus on particular leadership skills, programs aim to develop your overall leadership presence and skills. For instance, San Francisco Business School offers an executive leadership program. Executive leadership training program covers generic and adaptive leadership. Change is inevitable, and leaders must be prepared for the changing dynamics of the business environment. Learn how to adapt your leadership in changing circumstances. Grasping power. Only powerful leaders sustain in a brutal business environment. You'll learn how to grasp power. Servant leadership. Leaders must be adaptive, servant, and transformational in today's business world. Walk the path to be a servant leader that empowers people and organizations. Emotional intelligence. Emotional effects are unavoidable wherever there is a human factor. Develop your competence to be an agile, optimistic, and humble leader. Learn how to show people why they matter. Tomorrow's leaders. You cannot lead the millennials the same way as you do for boomers. Increase your awareness for future leadership and transformational leadership. Leadership in hard times. While being an optimist leader, you have to be ready for the unanticipated cases. Improve your contingency planning skills, dealing with conflict of interest, and how to overcome a crisis. You can check further on the program page. The link is in the description area of this video. 2. Coaching. We've explained the coaching above. In coaching, the coach guides the coachee through real-life scenarios. In some cases, the coach can help the trainee with the real cases the trainee faces at work. There are several coaching programs available on the web. However, make sure to choose the right coach for you. It is important to choose a coach from a similar or even the same industry, who has gone through your career path before and who can guide you transparently. 3. Practicing. As in any profession, the best method to sharpen your leadership skills is practicing. Whenever you see a chance to practice your skills, do not hesitate. For instance, if you see a conflict between your colleagues, you can seek a resolution or help a team member to make a decision. 4. Reading. You can consider reading leadership books, articles, or business blogs. There are phenomenal leadership books. You can make a reading list and read those books to sharpen your leadership skills. 5. Events. There are conferences, seminars, and webinars about leadership. You can follow these activities and attend them if they fit your schedule. Free online leadership skills training program. One of the requirements to be a good leader is to improve yourself continuously. The best way to do this is to enhance your competence through training. Take a step ahead and jumpstart your leadership competence. Enroll in our 1-hour free leadership training program. You can find the links to this program at the description area of this video. Note that there are other ways to develop leadership skills such as volunteering, giving back, or on-the-job training. We've listed the most popular 5 ways to improve leadership skills. Subscribe to our channel to receive new videos.